Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NAVS Home School. I am Sabreena, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Untitled English Mission School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question answer, which is belongs to chapter 7, and this is our second part, or this part. This question answer is the last question answer of chapter 7. In our previous class, we already discussed from 1 to 5 competency based question answer. Today we will start from 6. The question 6 is, Nila's younger brother Nahin often suffer from fever and toothache. He also suffer from bone joint pain. After observing him, doctor said he is suffering from rheumatic fever. What are the curative measures of rheumatic fever? The answer is, if someone has rheumatic fever symptoms, he or she should visit a doctor at earliest. The doctor can have tests for saliva and blood to confirm the disease. This can be cured by proper diet and medication. There is great chance of damaging heart if no care been taken of this type of patient. Now come to next question. Sadia's younger brother is suffering from frequent loose motion. The doctor said that it might be because of polluted water. He needs to get admitted to the hospital. Mention 4 symptoms of the disease from which Sadia's younger brother is suffering. The answer is, Sadia's younger brother is suffering from diarrhea. Symptoms of the disease are: first one, frequent loose motion; second one, frequent vomiting; third one, intense thirst, mouth and tongue become dry; and fourth one, gradual lose of physical strength. Come to next question. Munna is suffering from sneezing. Father says sneezing is an infectious disease. He then mentioned few ways to prevent infectious disease. Give 5 ways of how to prevent infectious diseases. The answer is, infectious diseases are the disease caused by the entrance of germs such as bacteria, viruses and fungi into the body. The diseases can be spread directly or indirectly from one person to another. 5 ways to prevent infectious diseases are: first one, covering face during cough and sneezes; second one, using safe water and washing hands properly with soap; now third one, keeping our environment clean; fourth one, removing any object that hold water; last one, getting vaccination and avoiding unhygienic food. Come to question number 9. What do you understand by dengue fever? What are the symptoms of dengue patient? How dengue fever is spread? The answer is, dengue fever is a viral disease. Dengue is transmitted by the mosquito Aedes, which acts as the vector in transmitting the dengue virus. The mosquito gets infected by the dengue virus when it bites a person who has dengue. Now, for about a week, the virus multiplies inside the mosquito, after which it bites a healthy person who soon develops symptoms of dengue fever. The dengue patient will have high fever along with headache, vomiting and allergy like skin rash. Now come to last question of the chapter, that is question number 10. What is contact disease? In which way infectious diseases spreads? Write in 5 ways. Answer is, the disease which can spread directly or indirectly from one person to another is called contact disease or infectious diseases. This type of disease can be spread in the following ways. The first one, the germs of influenza, swine flu, jaundice, pox, malaria, scabies, measles, etc. are spread out through cough, spit and hiccup of the patient. Now come to second one. The germs of the above mentioned disease can be spread through the contact of the diseased person. Third one, infectious diseases may be break out through contaminated food, water and air. Fourth one, the infected female Anopheles mosquito can cause malaria biting a healthy person. Now last one, Culex mosquito spread elephantiasis Elephantiasis, this is a disease which is caused by Culex mosquito. Now come to our homework. This is our homework number 4. You have to write as your homework CBQ question answer of 6. CBQ number 6 is your homework. You have to write it in your homework copy and you have to submit it on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. This chapter is too much important for you, so read the chapter again and again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.